So this is it. This is the re-engineering that we are doing to the cantilever of this side. This is the reinforcement that you are seeing inside the body of it. We are casting the concrete this morning. So this is what is going on here. The re-engineering with to this side because of the nature of what we met here and the alterations that we are doing here, the cantilever side of the building to make it to sustain the pressure that will come on it. So there's the reinforcement, the boarding, and casting of concrete is ongoing. What is happening here is we are casting it to the level of the first course of the block. The carpenter is here as he's working. The stabilizers who are here doing their work. The continuation bar, first block, and this is the concrete masons and the laborers. So we want to finish with the casting of the concrete before we continue the block work.
So that was Pele for you, our top supervisor here on the production group. At the same time, he is an engineer and he is behind, supervising the East Legon Hills apartment project. So those of you that have been following us for some time, I think you will be able to recognize the voice. With this particular project, we have to do a lot of correction. So I have to stay back and let the guys, do their thing. They have to explain what they are doing because this is also new to me. We have, a situation where the concrete casting is not as strong. That's why we have a lot of cracks in there. And also the cantilever, with time, it may collapse. So that's why we have to put, all these measurement and engineering terms. I am not an engineer, so that's why I have been quiet on this project to let, the professionals do their thing when it comes to, motivation, inspiration, and also trying to the guide, step-by-step guide so that you can build, your house. Then I will come there to do that part. That is, what I know how to do best. I can motivate you, but when it comes to, getting the right team, getting the right people, I mean, you can see it for yourself. We have, masons on board, we have carpenters, we have steel benders. It is a full force here, because we have to get it done right. And that's why we have everybody on site. We are not going to bring a carpenter to do work, leave, then the steel bender comes and complain of the work that the carpenter has done, and then the mason also come to complain. No, so we put everybody together. So that's why you can see all the team on board.
So this is it. We are on it, moving faster. You can see the concrete that we cast. Is it yesterday? Yeah. This is the concrete made yesterday, cast yesterday. And even we cast halfway to stand them in position. So at the end of the day, you could see the concrete under. You can see the cracks around. Yeah. So we've done this concrete. It's like a cantilever. So this one is hooked to the base beam
on the existing floor.
on the existing floor to balance the weight. Yeah. So this is going to balance the weight. So this one, maybe you take off the cantilever, even it's going to hang out because it will stand on its own, because these ones have carried it. It is on the existing floor attached to the rod under it beneath, so it can balance the weight very well on its own. Engineering, as we told you, is not about
speaking big grammar and this. You see, engineering is not about speaking big grammar. It's like engineering is fixing problem. When you come to sites, you don't complain. You look at what is there and look at what you can do. Then you solve it. So this is what you've done here. As you can see, we saw the problem and we solve it perfectly.
So everything moving. We've been here from Monday. Is it Monday?
Yeah, Monday.
And today is
Wednesday.
today is Thursday.
Thursday.
Yeah, Thursday, and we are here. Everything is moving gradually.
Carpenter,
Some concrete have been cast. You could see all the columns have been fixed. All the columns. You see the isolated ones are all fixed, so we manage, and little by little we get there. Slow but sure. Is it slow?
It's not slow.
Okay.
It's not slow.
Okay.
We are working at a fast rate.
Okay.
Yes.
So by 2 weeks time, you could see us at the lengthen.
Yes.
Everything almost. Yeah. So preparing for the frontage to be cast, and also that's what we are doing now.
So fast forward, this is how far the guys are going, and this is the back view of the project. And as you can see, the decking looks like doubled layered here just because they have to put a beam on top, which is standing on its own. Like he said, the beam is not on the decking, it's standing on its own, and that is carrying all the load that is coming on top, from the blocks. So, I mean, if you want to see more, if you want to follow this project, how far we'll go, you can go to my playlist. It's called the Ibri Amman From project. You can click on it and then you can get the latest update as we progress with this project. I have other projects here on the channel, depending on what you are looking for. If you want to look at building on a hill, I have the Cape Coast project, I have the Hills project. I also have the Mountain View project. If it comes to waterlog, I have the East Legon Hills, also is there. I mean, close to the sea, I have the beach project. Everything you are looking for, we have solution to that here on the channel. So go to my playlist and you get more information. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next episode. Look at do it.